Yes. A very happy day to everyone. I'm Deepa Ganesh. Myself and Ms. Deepa Sanjeev are moderators of this event. On behalf of SAN Group of Schools, I welcome you all to this webinar. COVID-19 has been a demanding time for all of us. I sincerely appreciate this thoughtful idea of conducting a webinar by our management and helping us stay motivated and engaged during these challenging times. Over to DS.
Thank you, DG. Happy day to everyone. On behalf of SAN Group of Schools, I welcome you all to this webinar. Today, we have a very famous celebrity with us who has almost 3 decades of acting experience behind him. He has an honorary doctorate in arts and social work. He was introduced as a child artist by none other than director K. Balachandran at the age of 3. He's not only famous for his acting in the comedy genre, but he's also a singer, dancer, and a producer. Over to DG.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks, DS. Oh, yes, he has acted in more than 300 movies in different languages, also popularly known as Junior Rajni and Junior TR. I'm sure you must have guessed who is by now, none other than Dr. Ganeshkar. Today, we also have an equally interesting and talented person who is a well-known Tamil film actress. She has also been a television host and has been a part of television dramas and reality shows. She has completed her MBA with dual specialization from Meenakshi College, has established herself very well in the acting field as a comedy star. Over to DS.
Thank you, DG. She has started her career as a child artist at the age of 2 and has completed around 60 movies as a child artist. Currently, she has completed around 126 movies in all languages. She is still continuing her journey of entertaining us. She has bagged the State Award and the prestigious Kalaimamani Award from the Government of India for outstanding performance in the field of comedy. So let's put our hands together to welcome our guests for the webinar, Dr. Ganeshkar and Dr. Aarti Ganeshkar. Sir, ma'am, on behalf of SAN Group of Schools, I welcome you to this webinar.
Thanks, DS. A hearty welcome to you both, sir and ma'am. How to sell your dreams is the topic we are going to hear from Mr. Ganeshkar and Ms. Harati. The topic is all about the art and persuasion, science of persuasion. The ability to communicate persuasively is the single greatest skill leaders and professionals can develop today to sell any product, motivate any team, and grow any company. Or how students can give a compelling story to their parents with facts, data, track record so that they can accept their choice. We have 40 minutes and the last 10 minutes will be for question and answer session. I request the audience to please jot down any questions you would like to ask our guests and post it in the chat at the end of the session. Sir and ma'am, I request you to take over.
Hi. Hi. Welcome, Mandaram. Namaste, Namaskar. And this is Aarti. And alive Dora for you today. So here comes Buji. Hi, Buji. Yes, so today Aarti and Ganesh, Dora and Buji has come to tell you how to sell your dreams. Yes. So all of us may have dreams. Yes. So what do we do? How to sell our dreams?
Check out my channel.
Hey guys! Hi friends!
Come on!
Dream. Tell me what you want to be. Tell me what you want. If I were a singer, I'd sing a song all day long. If I were a brave knight, I'd save my dear friend. If I were a hairdresser, I'd change my 5 years out every day. If I were an astronaut, I'd meet aliens in space. Beep bop, beep bop. Dream, 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 dream. Tell me what you want to eat, 10 little kid. If I were a magician, I'd beat the room in a blink of an eye. If I were a dinosaur, I'd be the biggest kid. If we were a great people, we'd always be together. If I were a refrigerator, I'd eat everything in me.
Yes. So dreams can seem confusing, but scientists think we have them for a reason.
Yes.
And what is dreams, Bhuji?
Okay.
Shut. I'll tell. See, when we go to sleep at night, it can look like our body and brain are turning off. But while the rest of our body is resting and recharging, our brain is actually working pretty hard and showing you dream like a movie going on inside our head.
மூவி சினிமாவா?
சரி. Okay, இப்போ dream எப்படி வரும், எப்ப வரும்?
எப்படி வரும், எப்ப வரும்? தூங்குனாதான் வரும்.
At first, sleep very light தான் நமக்கு வரும். You might feel like you are awakened. அப்போ வர dream-ஏ இல்ல. Then your brain starts to slow down a little more and you start sleeping deeper. Yeah. Then starts the weirdest part of night. During this time, your breathing and heartbeat slows down a little and your body is completely still. But behind your eyelids, your eyes are moving around. Yes, and a lot, what we call that is a rapid eye movement, a REM sleep. This is really needed for our body. Only then most epic story like dreams occur, and that's one you will remember best in the morning.
காலையில வந்துடுமா?
காலையில அப்பதான் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். அந்த REM sleepல தூங்கும்போது வர ட்ரீம்ஸ் தான் நல்லா ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்.
அப்புறம் சில நேரத்துல அந்த ட்ரீம்ஸ் வந்து மறந்து போயிடுது. அதுக்கு
புத்து ட்ரீம்ஸ் மறந்து போயிடும். ஏன்னா that is dreams. So காமனா வந்து 90% of our dreams we will forget in the morning. After within 10 minutes we wake up. Yeah. So யாரெல்லாம் வந்து dreams பாப்பாங்க? All mammals, animals like dogs, cats, rats, humans, even some birds experience dreams.
Yes.
Yeah. So Bhuji, tell me one thing. உங்களுக்கு கனவு வந்திருக்கா?
வந்திருக்கேன்.
என்ன கனவெல்லாம் வரும்? Okay, முதல்ல ஏன் கனவு வருது? Tell me that.
கனவு எதுக்கு வருதுன்னா நல்லா தூங்குனா கனவு வரும்.
நல்லா தூங்குனா கனவு வரும். ஆனா நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல see my dear friends, just think நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல few of our friends will be like very dull.
Right?
ஆமா, they will be dull. They will not talk with anybody. They will not be active. And even for those kind of friends, at nights their brain will be like very active.
எப்படி?
God has blessed us with equal amount of brain to everybody. நம்ம usage தான் it decides how weight we are giving to the brain. Yes. So each and every human being will get dream. And it happens in our subconscious mind. And you know what?
என்ன?
நம்ம ட்ரீம்ஸ்ல எப்போதுமே ஃபெமிலியர் ஃபேஸஸ் தான் பாப்போம்.
ஃபெமிலியர் ஃபேஸ்னா
நமக்கு நல்லா தெரிஞ்ச ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ், பேரண்ட்ஸ், டீச்சர்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம கனவுல பாப்போம்.
என் ஃப்ரெண்டு சதீஷ் அடிக்கடி கனவுல வருவான். எங்க பிரேமா டீச்சர் வந்து என்ன அடிக்கிற மாதிரி கனவு வரும்.
இப்பதான் எந்த டீச்சர்ஸுமே யாரையுமே அடிக்கிறது இல்லையே,
திட்டுற மாதிரி கனவு வரும்.
அதனாலதான் இந்த குச்சி மாதிரி எல்லாருமே வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அரகெண்டா பிஹேவ் பண்றாங்க, ரூடா பிஹேவ் பண்றாங்க. எஸ். சோ இப்ப வந்து ஃபெமிலியர் ஃபேஸஸ் மட்டும்தான் இப்போ எப்போதுமே ட்ரீம்ல வரும். அண்ட் யூ cannot invent a new face in a dream.
அப்படியா?
ஆமா, யூ cannot. ஏன்னா பிரெயின் வந்து யாரோ ஒருத்தர் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல அப்படின்னு தான் யாரோட ஃபேஸ் பார்த்தாலும் அது மெமரியில ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கும்.
ஓகே.
Yes. And the other one, you cannot read in your dreams. புச்சி, என்னைக்காவது நீ ட்ரீம்ஸ்ல படிச்சிருக்கியா?
நானு ஆக்சுவலா திறந்து படிக்கும் போது கூட தூக்கம் வரும். அந்த தூக்கத்துல கூட படிக்கிற மாதிரி கனவு வராது.
புச்சி நீ நேர்லயே படிக்க மாட்டேன், நீ எங்க கனவுல படிக்க போற? அண்ட் இன்னொரு விஷயம், யாராலுமே படிக்கிற மாதிரி கனவு காணவே முடியாது.
முடியாது.
Yes, because 5,000, 5,000 years before only this all studies அது இதெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு.
ஓ
சோ நம்மளோட சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்லயே ஸ்டடிஸ் இல்ல. அதனாலதான் யாருமே ட்ரீம்ல நமக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சீனே வர்றதில்ல. லைக் ஸ்டடிங், லைக் ரைட்டிங் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் வர்றதில்ல. எஸ். அண்ட் யூ நோ வாட், மென் அண்ட் விமென் ட்ரீம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்லி.
எப்படி?
Yes, men always dreams about fighting with others, weapons, அந்த மாதிரி driving,
சேசிங்.
அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம். But females will dream about shopping, beauty,
ஃபுட்டிங்,
emotions, foodie, everything. So dream is different from men and women.
லைக் யூ டோரா, ஃபுட்டிங்.
Like you driving. Yes. And you know what, Buji?
Yeah.
50% of the dreams are negative.
Why?
All are anger, sadness, fear, insecurity feel. Only this comes in our dream. And you know what? See how colorful it is now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, Kuti Papas always dream colorfully. But once age goes and goes, our dream will change into black and white.
Black and white.
Yes.
Why?
So we have to start dreaming and be colorful, till the end. So happiness decides our dream. If we are very happy, we'll be seeing all balloons.
Yeah, like
all
this.
colorful. Jiggy, 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 jiggy.
எனக்கு கூட கனவு வந்திருக்கு. நான் நிறைய ரெயின்போஸ் பார்த்திருக்கேன்.
Wow.
ரெயின்போஸ் பார்த்திருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி கலர் பலூன்ல அப்படியே மேல போகும்.
Okay, we will give an exercise to our friends.
Yeah.
Dear friends, you have to keep a notepad next to your bed. And every morning when you wake up, take the notepad and write your dream. And that dream will definitely have a message to you sent by your subconscious mind.
கண்டிப்பா அந்த மாதிரி வரும்.
Make note of that. And when one dream keep on repeating, that's your message. Yes. So tell me about your interesting dream. If you have remembered anything now.
நான் வந்து ஒரு செலிபிரிட்டியை பாக்குற மாதிரி ஒரு ட்ரீம் வந்துச்சு.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to tell you about the common dreams which appears in our
எனக்கு fly பண்ற மாதிரி ட்ரீம் வந்திருக்கு. fly பண்ற மாதிரி.
Wow. Hey, how many of you had this dream, yaar? Just make a note. Come on. So common dreams, enna I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to tell what all, if you see in your dream, what all effect is going to be happen to you. Okay? So if you see a flying dream, la 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 la. Wow. That's the best dream you can see, See how happy, relaxed, ready to make bold decisions in our life and flying above all our problems and happiness, mere happiness in life. So how many are lucky over there to see such a flying dream? Enjoy the dream. Don't ever wake up, okay? Just continue the dream.
Dora, then falling down.
Oh my God. Then you are losing your control. So, my dear friends, if you are having a dream that you are falling down from a mountain or from anywhere else, that means you are stressed and you are out of control and you are losing your control.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
And then being lost.
Oh my God. Being lost? Oh. Then you have to be cautious because being lost in the dream means you are going in a wrong direction.
Really?
Yes. And then it means you are postponing very important decision in your life.
Oh.
Yeah. So don't ever, get lost. So for that, you have to be very cautious in taking your decisions in life. Better you take decisions talking to your parents or with your teachers, because they will not and they will never leave you to get lost. That is parents and that is teachers.
Very good.
Okay?
Super. Sometimes chasing.
Oh my God, chasing. Then he's in anxiety. Yes, this is at most anxiety, I will say. And there is three types of chasing.
How?
One is by a stranger you might be chased, or second thing is like you might be chased by an animal, or the third thing you might be chased by yourself. So tell me, what's your dream? A stranger chases you?
Yeah.
Okay. If the stranger chases you, that means you are in a big fear. Fear for something which is not yet happened. Maybe exam fear. Maybe the model test fear. Maybe you will not know like when the school is going to start, or when this COVID-19 is going to get over. Some fear which you might doesn't know when it is going to occur or not. So that is chasing fear. And when you yourself chase in your dream, that means it's a bad habit you have, and you cannot come out of that bad habit.
Yeah.
It might be copying from a friend, or it might be stealing something, or some bad habits you have, and you wanted to come out but you cannot come out from that. So that is why in your dream you have you are chasing yourself. And at last, if animal chases, even I had such dreams. So if animal chases you, it means you are angry within you. So whatever animal comes in your dream, that means it's an angry. It's your anger. So if you are angry, or if you are like if you hate somebody, that all comes in your dream as animal. So what animal chased you?
Mufasa.
Mufasa chased you?
Yeah. Mufasa.
Then you're Simba.
I'm Simba.
You know who am I?
Who are you?
I'm scared. Wait.
Being trapped.
Who?
Trapped.
Being trapped in dream means
Yeah.
it is a friendship or a relationship issue. Yes. So you are crying for help. So when you cry for help, when you need somebody's help, then that means your dream shows as if you're trapped. Yes. That is the meaning of being trapped.
You only trapped me.
I trapped you.
Yeah.
You
Ow. Oh. Losing my dick.
losing your tooth.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you. See, in your dream, if you lose a tooth, or if you're losing your teeth, then that means your fear for losing your beauty. Yeah, and you're naturally feeling that your power is going off from you, or it's a wake up sign that gives you that you are getting aged, you are getting matured. So don't feel for that. Okay, show me. Your teeth is all there. All your 32 tooth is there. Okay, no problem. And what else you want then?
And then sometimes meeting a very good celebrity.
Wow, you meet celebrities.
Yeah.
Okay, then that means he wants a recognition. He wants to upgrade his level. And that means he's craving for fame. Yes. So when you want to, when you want to become famous, or when you want to, no wrong in having such a dream, and it's like gift. So you may have your dream like you meet your stars,
A WWF. That Undertaker.
oh, Undertaker. Okay, all sort of celebrities. Then you're gifted because you want to become like them. So don't worry, keep on dreaming, and one or the other day you will definitely succeed in that. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Vada pocha.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Donut is gone.
Oh, not vada. Donut.
Yeah, vada is donut. Yeah.
Wow.
What? Yeah. Okay. So now I'll tell you one kutti story. Kutti story. Yeah. Life is very short, Nanba.
Don't worry, happy.
Always be happy. But I would say life is very short. So make your dream, come fulfill it soon. Yes. So, if there is a football match,
Okay.
okay, and two teams with 22 players. Okay, they are playing hard and hard and hard and hard and hard. Will that be interesting? Why?
22 pupils வந்து விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. 22 pupilsக்கு ஆளுக்கு ஒரு பால் கொடுக்கலாம்ல, ஒரே ஒரு பால் கொடுத்து விளையாடினா போர் அடிக்காது. Silly. I hate.
He's cracker.
Why?
Crazy. See, football is a game where one ball out of 22 people, only one or two can hit the goal.
Okay, but
so for that, everybody has to, unite and work.
இருந்தாலும் விளையாடிக்கிட்டே இருக்கக்கூடாது, கோல் போட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும்.
So in a football match, more interesting part is what? Kicking a goal in the goal post, right?
Yeah.
So what is interesting in life, yeah? Dreams. Yes, your dreams should be very specific. Means like if you want to achieve something in music field, you cannot see I'm dreaming about music. You have to be very specific. Either you can be a pianist or a violinist or a guitarist, or veena, some instruments, or you can be a singer or something like that. But you have to be very specific in your dream, and then you have to have a big clarity in your mind, very clear cut clarity. Okay, and then you have to put effort. Okay, you have to put effort, and then you have to have a plan. Only then your dreams will be success.
அப்போ டோரா நீ சொல்றது பார்த்தா முதல்ல எஃபர்ட் போடணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் நல்ல பிளான் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்.
Yes. So பண்ண முடியலன்னா தப்பு இல்ல, ஆனா பண்ண முடிஞ்சும் முயற்சி பண்ணாம இருக்கிறது
ரொம்ப தப்பு.
Yes. So irrespective of age, religion, work or background, everyone has dreams, and the world is revolving around only because of dreams, I would say. சரி, பாக் மில்கா பாக் படம் பாத்தீங்களா?
நான் பார்த்தேன்.
அதுல மில்காக்கு என்ன வேணும்? மில்கா என்ன ட்ரீம் பண்ணாரு? He want to become a athlete. So பயங்கரமா ஓடி நம்ம இந்தியாக்கு பெருமை சேர்த்தாரா இல்லையா? So that was his dream. Okay, காக்கா முட்டை படம் பாத்தீங்களா?
பார்த்தேன். அந்த காக்கா அந்த மரத்து மேல ஒரு முட்டை போடும், அந்த முட்டையை எடுக்கிறதுக்கு 3 பசங்க ஓடி போய் அதை எடுத்து.
இல்ல அதுதான் தப்பு. காக்கா முட்டையில என்ன வந்ததுன்னா, the two boys, from a slum, those two boys, they were like very poor, but they were like hard working to eat a pizza. So their dream is to eat a pizza, and at last their hard work has come up, what made them eat pizza. So அதே மாதிரி தங்கல் படம் பாத்தீங்களா? அமீர் கான்
பார்த்தேன்.
So his dream was to become a பைல்வான், and அதே மாதிரி நேஷனலுக்காக அவரோட டாட்டரையே வந்து பைல்வான் ஆக்கிடுவார். So his dream and his daughter's dream வந்து எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆச்சு இல்லையா? And Dhoni movie, Dhoni's life history, or Sushant Singh Rajput, who left us in the midway. So அவரோட படம் வந்து achieved well. It was like inspiring to all of us. But I would say whatever Sushant Singh Rajput has acted well, he had got millions of followers and millions of fans all over the world, and etc. He didn't have one dream for his future. So that made him take a wrong decision in this scenario. Okay, now I would tell you the most important thing. You can all take a notes, because this is very, 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 very important. Not only kids, even parents has to take notes on this. Yes, this is what is 11 habits which will make your dream sell.
Okay, இப்போ நான் கேக்குறேன், இப்போ ஃபெயில் ஆயிட்டா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
I'll tell you. Point number 1 is failing. If you fail, what do you do? See, Sushant Singh Rajput has failed in his life because he didn't get his mother's love. He didn't get his girlfriend's love. And he was like ditched from a lot of friends. And he was,
cine industry.
The whole industry was like kidding him, blah, 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 blah. So failing will never is last for you in your life. Okay, that is not the end point. So never ever dare to get failed.
Yeah.
Yes, see, Abdul Kalam, அவரோட கனவு என்னவா இருந்தது? பறவை மாதிரி பறக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டார். ஸோ ராமேஸ்வரத்துல ஒரு மூலையில இருக்கு ராமேஸ்வரம், அங்க ஒரு ஆர்டினரி கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ல அவர் வந்து படிச்சாரு. And he was a paper boy. He goes each and every house and he puts paper. And அவர் கஷ்டப்பட்டு aeronautical engineering எல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு he wants to serve India and he went for the airlines job, but he got rejected. He failed then.
Yes.
He failed until 50 years. He was a failure in his life. But what happened then? He never stopped dreaming. He never stopped dreaming. So achievers start their success only, the first step will be failure. And you must not stop there. Failure is a stepping stone for success.
That's a power.
Yes. அதே மாதிரி KJ Yesudas, you know how big the singer is? அவர் பாடின பாட்டு என்ன உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும்?
சொன்னாடி நிக்குது அந்த பாட்டு பிடிக்கும். அம்மா
அழைக்காத உயிரில்லையே,
அம்மாவை வணங்காமல் உயர்வில்லையே,
Yes.
நேரில் நின்று பேசும் தெய்வம் பெற்ற தாயன்று வேறொன்று ஏது அம்மா.
Yes. So, அம்மாவை விட ஒரு பெரிய தெய்வம் இல்ல. அந்த அம்மா கூட காலையில இருந்து காலையில உங்களை பார்த்து பத்திரமா ஸ்கூலுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சுட்டு ஈவினிங் நீங்க வந்ததும் உங்களுக்கு டிஃபன் எல்லாம் கொடுத்து ஹோம்ஒர்க் எல்லாம் கேட்டு பத்திரமா உங்களை பார்த்துப்பாங்க. ஆனா ஸ்கூல்ல இருக்கிற ஃபுல் டைமும் உங்களை வந்து பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறது உங்க டீச்சர்ஸ் தான். So just think how teachers love you all, இல்லையா? So அந்த KJ Yesudas வந்து ஆல் இண்டியா ரேடியோல வந்து because of his bad voice அப்படின்னு சொல்லி he got rejected. But he didn't stop there. He didn't stood there. He was very believer of his dream, and that made him come here till here, and he did almost lakhs and crores of songs. Yes.
அதே மாதிரி இளையராஜா அவரோட ரெக்கார்டிங்ல கூட அவர் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு ப்ரொடியூசர் எல்லாம் பிடிச்சி டைரக்டர் எல்லாம் பிடிச்சி அவர் வந்து மியூசிக் டைரக்டரா போகும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெக்கார்டிங் அன்னைக்கு டேக் 1 ஸ்டார்ட் அப்படிங்கும் போது கரண்ட் போயிடுச்சான். எல்லாரும் சொன்னாங்களாம், ஐயோ பேட் லக், இந்த படம் வந்து சரி இருக்காது, சோ இந்த மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் சரியில்லை. அப்போ அவர் ரொம்ப கிட்டத்தட்ட 6 hours ஆச்சான் அந்த கரண்ட் வர்றதுக்கு. சோ இவர் ரொம்ப ஃபீலிங்ல ஓரமா உட்காந்து திரும்பி அழுதுருக்காராம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 6 hours அப்புறம் கரண்ட் வந்த உடனே அப்பவே டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்களாம், இவர் வேண்டாம் வேற மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் போட்டுடலாம் அப்படின்னு. பட் இருந்தாலும் அவரோட வில் பவர், என்னால முடியுங்க நான் பண்ணுவேன்ற அவர் சொன்ன விதம், அதே மாதிரி அந்த படம் வந்த உடனே சூப்பர் டூப்பர் ஹிட் ஆச்சு.
Yes.
இசை ஞானி இளையராஜா ஆயிட்டார்.
Definitely. So don't ever get, don't break your heart for all these failures, okay? Don't worry about failures. And the second habit would be insult. Getting insulted by others. Failure and insult are like brothers and sisters. Yes. So just think, Gandhiji, Namma Gandhiji, father of nation. He was studying law, law in England, and then he was he wants to go and argue his first argument. He just went to the court, and he was so nervous, and everybody started saying, oh, he's from India. Oh, what kind of man he is? No personality, nothing. Oh, will he argue? Everyone was staring at him and joking, making fun of him. So he was very nervous. He took the money what he got for the court fee. He gave it back to his client and he said, I'm sorry, I cannot argue here, and I cannot take all this law, and he just quit. So after that in his life he had never been a lawyer. So he was got insulted and he dropped. He came back, and you know what, in South Africa railway station la avara train la indu tallnaanga. That insult he had faced so much of insult, and all these insults and all these failures made him a father of nation today.
Yeah.
Because his dream, one day he will achieve. That dream made him achieve. So the other thing, the most important third point is incubate. Yes. ஒரு கோழி கூட அதோட முட்டைய வந்து இன்குபேட் பண்ணாதான் வந்து அந்த டைம் பீரியட் வந்து it has to incubate only then அந்த முட்டையை உடைச்சிட்டு கோழி குஞ்சு வெளியில வரும். எஸ், அதே மாதிரி ஒரு வாழை மரம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், ஒரு 2-4 மாசத்துல அது கொலை வந்துரும். சோ அந்த வாழை மரத்தை வெட்டிடுவாங்க. ஆனா ஆலமரம் which stands for long years, that will like incubate, the roots will be like very hard, it catches the soil, and that alamaram wants to stand for what, so many years. So it incubates and then only it starts his growth. அதே மாதிரி success will not come immediately, your dream will not fulfill immediately. So wait. உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் மொட்டை ராஜேந்திரன் தெரியுமா? Actor மொட்டை ராஜேந்திரன்
எல்லாம் தெரியும்.
யா
நல்லா குடிக்கிறீங்களா?
that's மொட்டை ராஜேந்திரன். So he is in his 70 plus age. So till 70 plus he was incubating himself, and then only he was shining in these movies. So now he is doing almost all languages movies, and there is no film without him. That is because of his willpower and his dream.
ஸ்டார்டிங்ல மொட்டை ராஜேந்திரன் ஒரு ஸ்டண்ட் ஆர்டிஸ்டா இருந்தார்.
Yes.
அவர் நிறைய படங்கள் நடிச்சிருக்காரு. ஆனா அதுல பெருசா ஒன்னும் சாதிக்கல.
Yes.
பட் இருந்தாலும் அவரோட ட்ரீம் கண்டிப்பா ஒரு நாள் இந்த சினிமா நம்மள கண்டிப்பா சாதிக்க வைக்கும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு கனவோட இருந்தாரு. அந்த கனவு 72 வயசுலதான் அவருக்கு ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Yes. So incubate time is there. So never think, oh, my dream is not working, or that's all gone. No. You have to incubate. Yes. And then the fourth point is hard working.
Yes, hard working.
So 24 hours a day. So in the 24 hours, 8 hours you can relax, you can chit chat, you can sleep, or whatever you want you can do. But 16 hours you have to work hard.
Yeah.
And if you are working hard for 10,000 hours, then you will be expert in whatever you do. So if you are sleeping for 10,000 hours, then you are expert in that. If you are writing or learning, or if you are dancing, or if you are like doing learning martial arts, if you are doing whatever you like, kindly do that for 10,000 hours, and you will be expert, you will be master in it, and nobody can ever challenge you. I will give you a word, because 10,000 hours in your life you are giving to one particular thing, and that thing will be your slave. Write it. Right.
அப்புறம் ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம், தூங்கணும் அது எல்லாம் ஓகே, பட் எத்தனை மணிக்கு தூங்கி எத்தனை மணிக்கு எழுந்துக்கணும்?
I'll tell you.
Very good,
my dear Bhuti.
Yeah.
And what time you get up?
Morning 8:30 or 7:45.
Oh. So your dreams will not get fulfilled soon.
Why?
Because very important thing is the fifth point, fifth habit you should maintain is getting up early in the morning.
Early morning?
Yes.
At what time?
Around before 6.
Before 6.
You know what? Robin Sharma, the big, the great writer, has written a book called 5 a.m. Club. You know what? If you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, miracles happen in your life.
Miracles?
Yes. You can talk directly to the universe.
Oh, really?
Whatever you dream, that will get fulfilled. Yes. So 5 o'clock has a magic. Right? My words, my dear darling friends, please get up 5 o'clock in the morning. Whatever time you sleep, that I don't matter, okay? It doesn't matter, and I don't want that. But you get up at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Register in your brain. 5 o'clock. Get up, and you are going to be a winner. Yes, definitely you will be the winner, because in all religion, in Hinduism or Muslims or Christianity, in any religion, what they prefer is getting up early in the morning, and they start praying, because that is the time you and the universe talks. So please kindly do that. Yes. And then our own DMK party's ex president Kalaignar Ayya, he at the age of 90 plus, he used to get up 5 o'clock, and he does miracles. He is like, his memory power is like out of the park. Nobody else can have that, not in the future, or not in the past hand, because at that age, 90s plus age, he was getting up at 5 o'clock, and
I think 4:30.
That's what, around 5 o'clock he is wake up, no?
Yeah.
So at that age, if he can do, we have to maintain it. And Another important thing, sixth point is daily workout.
Daily workout.
That is Dora's job, not Buji's job. That's Dora's job. Yes.
Take me.
No. See, you have to. This is one simple exercise. Okay, that you have to follow, and definitely you will call me and you will tell me how that works out to you. Okay.
How?
You have to write a story, and hero of that story is you.
Me?
Yes, not you. You have to write your story, then you are the hero. And if you are writing the story, you are the hero. Okay? Write a story and you are hero in it. Okay? And your dreams. You write your dreams. And daily you start writing 3 things that you have to write that makes you closer to your dreams. And make that you fulfill that. Okay?
3 எழுதணுமா?
3 things.
3 things.
Yes. If I need to eat dosa, then I have to write, today I'm going to archify maavu. Today I'm going to make a chutney.
Takali chutney.
Yes,
I
learn how
like
to
takali chutney.
that you have to write. If I'm writing, right? Today, dishes. So it's like that. So 3 things. So in the 3 things na nadthitena, that means end of the day I'll eat the dosa. So this is very small, cheapest example I can say. So you people have a big, larger dream. So make it work out by, continuing this exercise. Okay. And the next thing comes, that is the 7th thing is prayers. Yes, my dear darling friends, I will definitely say this. Any religion, any believer of God or not, please, please, please believe in your parents, believe in your teachers, believe in this mother nature. Yes, don't hurt anybody by any means. Obey them. Be a disciplined kid and please, please meditate yourself for 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. This sky, this earth, this sun, this water and this air is going to safeguard you and make your dream fulfill one day. And superstar Rajinikanth sir.
Yeah.
Yes, every one of us know him. He is today being in this superstar cadre because of his prayers. Spiritually, he is very strong. And he believes in Mother Nature and, he is living a very disciplined life because his profession is different, but he is getting up, all these habits he is doing. Not only him, all the achievers in the world are doing this. That is the secret. So I'm telling you all, dears, please, please do prayers. Connect yourself with the nature, connect yourself with your parents, connect yourself with the teachers. All their blessings will make your dream fulfilled soon. And then the most important thing is the 8th point, 8th habit you have to continue is
self-talk.
Yes, you have to talk to yourself. Yes, morning you get up and say, yes, I'm the greatest, greatest production of God. Okay, and I'm the best in the world.
I'm the powerful man.
Yes, and then you tell, like, your brain stores all these words. Your brain stores all your words which you talk loudly. So the brain thinks that, oh, we have to know this because she is telling to us, and he's telling to us, and it will store in your mind, fix this, and that will be your life. Okay, so thank everything you feel nice and good to you. Give your own pat on your shoulders. Yes, you are the best, best critic, and you are the best motivator to yourself. So self-talk, you always talk to yourself. Oh, very good, I wake up at 5 o'clock. Wow, very good, I had very fine, super breakfast. Lot of people in corona time, in COVID time, they don't get proper food and they are on roads, but you have got a good home, you have got good parents who is working for you, you have got very good teachers, who at this period they want to give webinars and they want to grow your knowledge well, and you have to thank your school. So always be thankful
Principal.
to all the good things in your life. Yes,
very
so
good
that
principal
is
and very good correspondent.
Yes, so your self-talk is going to make you a very good. Yes. Okay, and the 9th part is compete with yourself. Yes. Dora can't be like a Buji, and Buji can't be like Dora.
Yeah.
And you can't be like me, and I can't be like you. So never ever copy anybody, and don't ever get jealous on anybody. no ego, no envy, and keep on competing with you and yourself only.
Yes.
Okay, every day go see the mirror. There lies your competitor. Okay, and so if your friend is getting a grade or O grade, or anybody is getting the biggest marks and all, don't ever think that she's your competitor. You are your competitor. If this exam you get 90 plus, then the next exam you have to get 100, centum. So think, you are your competitor. Okay, if your parents are saying that, oh no, you have to see her, you have to see him, he's your competitor, tell them, no mom, no dad, no, I am my competitor, and prove them your results, darling.
Yes.
Yes, prove them. You can do it. You can do it, definitely. And here comes the 10th thing.
Sacrifice.
Yeah,
Sacrifice.
you have to sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
You have to sacrifice. See, all celebrities or personalities are just human beings. Okay, they are like you. They are like you. They are like me. They are like, all of us. All are humans. They have, sacrificed something to get something. Okay, so if you leave something, you will get something. Okay, you cannot, have both in hands, and you cannot like this will go or that will go. You cannot like go two in one. Okay, just sacrifice something to sacrifice to get something. If you want to see night movies, if you want to see night Netflix, Amazon, all so and so unwanted movies, unwanted, all those stuffs, you cannot wake up early in the morning. Then you have sacrificed your good times in these things, in entertainment, and you have lost your dreams achieving soon. So please sacrifice. If you want to achieve your dreams, sacrifice unwanted things. Yes, you know what is unwanted for you, so please do it. And at last, 11th point.
Daydreaming. Daydreaming. About daydreaming.
Yes, he daydreams a lot.
Yeah.
My dear students, my dear friends, tell me, what is daydreaming, and is that good or bad?
I think it's good.
That's good. How
Yeah.
come? How come it's good? Daydreaming is good or what?
I think so.
Yes, definitely. So 11th habit, I would say, is daydreaming. Yes. Imagine you have achieved your dream. Talk like you are an achiever, walk like you are an achiever, and stand before mirror and you say that I have achieved. And you have to talk as if you have succeeded. Okay? This talking, definitely the universe will hear, and one or the other day you will stand in front of millions of people and you will talk that.
Yeah.
Definitely write my words, write my words. Dream about that situation, your parents, your friends, and your well-wishers seeing your happiness. They are sitting and they are applauding for your achievement. You are getting a recognition and you are getting awards. Wow, what a superb dream it is, right? So think like that and you just stand as if you have won a Oscar. Okay,
நான் கூட
stand.
நேஷனல் அவார்ட் வாங்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும் ட்ரீம்.
ஸோ வெறும் தூங்கி ட்ரீம் பார்த்துட்டே இருந்தா வேலைக்கு ஆகாது. கண்ணாடி முன்னாடி நின்று நம்ம கையில நேஷனல் அவார்டு இருக்குன்னு நின்று பேசணும். Wow, here it is. So for this only I was dreaming all these years.
Thank God.
So I got the award now. அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லணும். That practice will make you one or other day you will get a national award. You will stand in front of all the medias and all the people. Not only getting national award is a achievement. You can think as if you are like becoming Wipro head, or you are studying in IIM, or you are traveling to you are become like astronaut and you are traveling. You have become like an Abdul Kalam, and your dreams. One or other day it is going to work out. So that's it, my dear guys. So now I'll give you one short exercise. What does that means? See, take a note and write 10 achievers and their dreams. Go find out. See, you have Achi Masala, you have Shakti Masala, small household item, but just think about the entrepreneur or the owner, the proprietor of that company. Just know what is his dream and how did he achieve. Right about Vasant and Co. Annachi.
அவர் வந்து ஒரு சாதாரண ஒரு ஆண்டனாலாம் ரெடி பண்ணி அவர் ஒவ்வொரு வீட்டுக்கும் போயிட்டு ₹1 ஆண்டனா கொடுத்திருக்காரு.
இன்ஸ்டால்மெண்ட்
அவருடைய அவருடைய பிசினஸ்க்கு வந்து யாருமே பெரிய ஒரு அம்பாசிடர் மாதிரி இல்ல. அவரோட போட்டோவே வச்சு அவரு தான் மாடலிங்.
Yes.
அதுக்கு
He
ஒரு
is the first model owner.
பவர் வேணும்.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. He didn't think about his looks. He didn't think about his looks. He was like, I'll be the dreamer. One day I'll achieve, and that dream worked out. So அத பத்தி எழுதுங்க. Swiggy ஓட owners யார்? So Swiggy la I think 3 owners are there. So write about their dreams and write about their achievement. The path they traveled. Write about Ola Cab. Write about Paytime. Why so much here? Just know what is your correspondent's dream. What is your principal madam's dream? What is your class teacher's dream? And then write a note. Yes, just think. So how many of you will do this? I don't know. I hope you will do it definitely. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Yes, my dear darlings. So my dear friends, just take the first step today. Yes, 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 today is the day. If you're still thinking about your dreams, if you are still thinking about your goals, but you have not done anything till today, just take the first step today. Yes, you are taking the first step today. Love you all, and you can definitely make your parents proud. You can definitely make your school proud, and you can definitely touch hearts of millions of people around the world. I wish you, and don't let anybody steal your dreams. That is very, very important.
Yeah, important.
Yes,
important.
don't let anybody steal your dreams. You fix what you want to become in your life, and you will become in that. You will be, master in that, I'll assure you. See, you may face rejections, lot of no's. Get ready to face it all. Almost everything. Someday, somebody will say you that count on me. But they don't come through. They will never come through. So don't believe anybody. If nobody believes in you, if you lose again and again and again and again, the lights are all cut off. Even then, you have to still look at your dreams.
Yeah.
Yes. So review it daily, every day, and say to yourself, it's not over until I win. So enna solveenga? It's not over until I win. Okay? So you can live your dreams, and definitely you can sell your dreams, darlings. You can sell your dreams. So love, loads of love from your Aarti, that's Dora, and your Bujji.
Galeshkar and Bujji.
Yes, so love you all. Sell your dreams. So there is few people who lives in dreams, and there is few people who lives in reality. So the reality and dream, idukku naduvula irukra bridge da selling point, and that selling point you can sell your dreams with 11 habits what I mentioned. So make a note, and you continue, you follow in your life, and definitely one or other day I'll be like, wow, and you will be like, yes. Love you all. God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you, Putties. Bye.
Thank you, my dear friends, and thank you, parents, and thank you, teachers. Love you all. Love you all. This is what we want to say to all our dear friends regarding how to sell your dreams.
Yeah, God bless.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your wonderful, inspirational, and useful information that you shared with us for the last 1 hour. I'm
Thank you,
sure
thank you.
our audience would have learned so many important skills for the last 40 minutes. Thank you once again.
Thank you,
Can we
ma'am.
move on with the question answer session?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to DG.
Hey, thanks, DS. Thanks, Raman sir, for this stupendous performance. We thoroughly enjoyed, and also it's been very informative and entertaining. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Love
you.
you
Okay,
all.
sir. Sure, ma'am. Sir, the first question goes to you.
Yeah.
What or who inspired you to begin a career as an actor? So, உங்க inspiration பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க. யார் who inspired you to choose career as a profession? I mean, your career is acting.
Superstar Rajinikanth.
Wow! Awesome, sir. Can you tell us more about him? என்ன மாதிரி inspiration?
அவரு பேசுற ஸ்டைல் பிடிக்கும். அவரோட நடக்கிற வாக் பிடிக்கும். அவரோட ஆன்மீகத்தை பத்தி எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Okay, super, sir. Super. Yes, moving on to DS. Yeah, DS, take over.
Thank you, DG. Ma'am, the next question is for you.
Yes, sure.
If not acting,
Teachers
what
always
other
ask
field you would have been? Acting
Lovely.
illana, which other field you would have been in?
See, actually, I want to become an IAS officer, because my
Wow.
parents were working in collector office and they were like gazetted to present in secretariat and all. So they want to make me as an IAS officer. But Vidhi yara vittuchu. My
Destiny.
dream was to become an actress.
And you
So
have achieved it.
yes, that's what my dream was, to become an actress. So I'm like in halfway through it. So I want to get Oscars. I want to direct all those dreams. So in halfway, I left that. Yes. So I
Okay,
was trying.
thank you.
Awesome,
I did my
awesome.
MBA for my parents, and they want to be like they want me to get education because being a girl, I need education for my livelihood. So I did my MBA. I was dual specialized in HR and marketing, and I was like very proud to say that I am Meenakshi College family. I belong to them. So I should thank my principal ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, because without her, I think I would not be able to complete my studies because I used to take leaves often, but I was like very, very good, disciplined, and very good student to her. So that made me complete without any arrears, or I finished my studies in out of distinction. So I'm very happy for that. So I did studies because I need to act, because my parents were very strict. They said if you are not studying, if you are not regular, then I'll stop acting. So I studied for acting.
That's awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we are really proud of you. Really proud of you.
Thank you. Thank
Over
you.
to
Thank you.
DG.
Yeah, thanks, Shreyas. Yes, sir. One more interesting question for you.
Yeah.
Today's students are packed with energy and talent. So, what tips would you give them on how to use their talent and shine in life?
அதாவது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ல ஃபியூச்சர்ல எத்தனையோ பேர் வந்து அந்த அந்த குரூப்ல இருக்க யாராவது ஒரு அப்துல் கலாம் கண்டிப்பா வருவாரு, யாராவது ஒருத்தர் வந்து சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ரஜினியா வருவாரு, யாராவது ஒரு அஜித் குமாரா வருவாரு, யாராவது ஒரு இவர்
மோடியா வருவாரு,
மோடியா கூட வருவாரு, அனில் அம்பானியா வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. ஸோ அவங்க அவங்க இப்ப என்னன்னா நாங்க எங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதை நாங்க சொல்லணுமோ அதை வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்குள்ள ஒரு நயன்தாரா கூட இருப்பாங்க, நயன்தாரா இருப்பாங்க, ஜோதிகா இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அதனால கண்டிப்பா இப்ப வர ஜெனரேஷன்ல இருக்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இப்பவே அவங்களுக்கு வந்து பொறுப்பு வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து வேற லெவல்ல வருவாங்க, கண்டிப்பா வருவாங்க.
Wow, thanks, sir. That was very inspirational. Thank you, sir. Over to DS.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, DG. So we'll just go with the last question, ma'am, for you. You have handled so many things simultaneously, education, acting. So how important, according to you, is time management?
We have to be very strict with our time management. We have to prioritize what is very important for us and what we can leave, So daily we have to make a to-do list, and daily we have to, before sleep, we have to make note whether we have completed that work or not. And postponing anything tomorrow is actually a failure. So maximum work, we have to live as if today is the last day. Today is the last day we are living, and we have to dream as if we are going to live long, as if we are not dying at all. So I plan like that, as if I don't have death in my life, but I live as if today is my last day. So that makes me, a bit, succeeded in my life, I think.
That's wonderful, wonderful, ma'am.
Wow,
Really, really nice of you. So I
you,
would say it was a wonderful time having you both on the show with us. And I'm sure all of us have learned so many things from you. Over to DG.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome, Harthi ma'am. Yeah. Very, very nice. You just said living the moment in a very sweet, nice way. That's just too cool. Yes, sir. I will just ask one last question for you, sir, and maybe probably we will just wind up after this. Okay. So you started your career at an early age. So what kind of skills or values did you learn at that age? And what are the skills that you felt it was important even today?
இல்ல நான் சின்ன வயசுல வந்து எனக்கு வந்து எந்த ஒரு பேக்ரவுண்டும் இல்ல. எங்க ஸ்கூல் ஆனிவர்சரி டேஸ்ல நான் டான்ஸ் பண்ணுவேன். ஸோ அப்ப வந்த கெஸ்ட் எல்லாமே எல்லாம் டி ராஜேந்தர், டைரக்டர் ராமநாராயணன், டைரக்டர் பாலச்சந்தர் சார். ஸோ அவங்க கிட்ட போயிட்டு அப்பவே உங்க படத்துல எனக்கு ஒரு ஹீரோவா சான்ஸ் தரீங்களான்னு கேட்டிருக்கேன் சின்ன வயசுல. ஸோ அவங்க எல்லாம் பிரமிச்சு போயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன், நானே சைக்கிள்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு எல்லா டைரக்டரும் போய் பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க கிட்ட நான் சான்ஸ் கேட்டு அப்படிதான் ஒவ்வொரு படமா எனக்கு வந்து நடிக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சது. ஸோ அதனால என்னோட ஸ்டடீஸை நான் விட்டுட்டேன். ஸோ நான் படிக்கணும்னு நினைச்சேன். பட் ஆனா கடவுள் நல்ல ஒரு படிக்க ஒரு ஒய்ஃபை எனக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாரு.
அவரோட அந்த ஃபியர்லெஸ்னஸ், பிகாஸ் ஐயோ அவங்க பெரியவங்க, அவங்க கிட்ட நம்ம இதெல்லாம் கேட்கலாமா, அந்த மாதிரி நத்திங் ஸ்டாப்ட் ஹிம். ஸோ அதனாலதான் he went and he approached. So they were like, oh, இந்த சின்ன வயசுல he's coming and asking. So நம்ம we have to give him அந்த opportunity. He got his opportunity because of his fearlessness. So I think that's his, big thing.
அதே மாதிரி ஒரு வாட்டி வந்து எம்ஜி ராமச்சந்திரன் புரட்சி தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் இருக்கார் இல்லையா, அவர் வந்து ஒரு நடிகர் ராஜேஷோட சிஸ்டர் மேரேஜ்க்கு வந்திருக்காரு. அப்போ வந்து சங்கர் கணேஷ் டைரக்டர், மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் சங்கர் கணேஷோட மியூசிக் லைட் மியூசிக் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது நான் கணேஷ் எங்கள்கிட்ட போய் கேட்டேன், அவரு மாதிரி நான் டான்ஸ் பண்றேன், ஒரு பெண்ணை பார்த்து நிலவை பார்த்தேன் நிலவில் குடில் இல்லை, அந்த பாட்டுக்கு டான்ஸ் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லும்போது அவர்லாம் இல்லடா அவர்கிட்ட பெர்மிஷன் வாங்கணும், அவர் பெர்மிஷன் கொடுத்தாதான் நீ டான்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும் போது நான் எல்லா க்ரௌடும் இருக்கு அப்படியே ஸ்டேஜ்ல வந்து எகிரி குச்சி நேரா போயிட்டு உங்களை மாதிரி நான் ஒரு டான்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்கேன்.
And he made him சொல்லுங்க அப்புறம் அவரை வந்து மடியில உட்கார வச்சுட்டு சொல்லிருக்காரு.
அதுக்கு பக்கத்துல வந்து திருநாவுக்கரசு, கமலஹாசன் சார், சரிகா மேடம் எல்லாமே உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ எம்ஜிஆர் ஐயா வந்து என்னை பார்த்து அப்படின்னாரு. எனக்கு ஒண்ணும் புரியல, ஐயா என்ன சொல்றீங்க அப்படின்னாரு. அப்புறம் பின்னாடி அந்த செக்யூரிட்டி என்கிட்ட சொல்றாங்க, ஐயா 2 பாட்டு கழிச்சு ஒண்ணு ஆட சொன்னாரு தம்பி அப்படின்னாரு. அப்படியா, ஓகே சொல்லிட்டு நான் எப்படி எகிரி குச்சோம் அதே மாதிரி எகிரி போயிட்டேன். ஸ்டேஜுக்கு போயிட்டு மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் சங்கர் கணேஷ் சார்கிட்ட சொன்னேன், அங்கிள் இந்த மாதிரி 2 பாட்டு கழிச்சு என்ன டான்ஸ் பண்ண சொன்னாரு அப்படின்னு உடனே அவரும் சரி நீ போய் ஓரமா நின்று. நான் போயிட்டு மீசெல்லாம் வரைஞ்சிட்டேன் சின்ன வயசுல. அப்போ மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் இப்படியே கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தாரு எம்ஜிஆரை பார்த்தா மாதிரி. அப்போ 2 பாட்டு முடிஞ்சு 3ஆவது பாட்டு டக்குன்னு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது இல்ல நான் இங்க இருந்து பாக்குறேன் அவரு எம்ஜிஆர் ஐயா பாக்குறேன், கணேஷ் அங்கிளை பாக்குறேன். இவர் வந்து அவரை பார்த்துக்கிட்டே பண்ணும்போது ஐயோ பாட்டு மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு இருக்கும்போது எம்ஜிஆர் ஐயா பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தவரு அப்படின்னு கையை அசைச்சாரு. அச்ச உடனே பின்ட்ராப் சைலண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்புறம் அந்த செக்யூரிட்டி கிட்ட சொல்லி மேல வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, ஒரு சின்ன பையன் என்கிட்ட டான்ஸ் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டான், அந்த தம்பியை டான்ஸ் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க அப்படின் போது எனக்கு அப்படியே பாருங்க புல்ல இருக்குது. அப்புறம் 3ஆவது பாட்டுக்கு நான் டான்ஸ் பண்ண உடனே எனக்கு கீழே வர வச்சு என் மடியில உட்கார வச்சு அவர் போட்டோல எடுத்துக்கிட்டாரு. நான் தான் எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்.
Absolutely, sir. That shows your confidence and yeah.
Thank you.
And all his confidence went after he gets married to me.
Really nice.
Oh, that's sweet.
Please don't get married soon.
Yeah, DG. So you over to you.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. We had a real wonderful time. I would like to give the vote of thanks and yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I take this opportunity to thank our inspirational chief guest, Mr. Ganeshkar and Ms. Harati, who, in spite of their busy schedule, accepted our invite and made the event special. Our beloved managing director, Ms. Archana, who gave us this wonderful opportunity. Our admirable principal, Ms. Sujata Saravanan, our fellow staff members, and all our marvelous and supportive parents and students for spending your valuable time in this webinar and making it a big success. Thank you so much. And don't forget to join us at 5 p.m. again for another refreshing session with Mr. Jagdishan Narayan, the popular young cricketer. Thank you all once again. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Love
Bye.
you all.
Bye.
Spreading love to all. Bye.